Alright, so it's mail day. I finally got this box in I've been waiting for. It's got some exhaust pipes in it for the Banshee. I'm doing an unboxing because these pipes are used and I'm going to be refurbishing them. So I just want to see what they look like real quick here, and the knife doesn't have a blade in it. Forgot we took the blade out. Fucking whatever we did last time. I got these for 50% off, and most of the stuff's actually new, except for the expansion chambers that are used, and they look a little cloudy online. There's the brand new right silencer, but this is like Christmas. This is brand new. So I got two of these, of course. Brand new air filter. Everything's still in the box. This is for T6. But these babies do look a little rough. I can see that. From everything I've read online and everything I've looked at online, you can easily bring them back. These are the stinger tubes. They're brand new. It looks like it's not going to be that much work either. So for 50% off, I think it's going to be a really good buy. They're definitely used. I mean, they're not in bad shape to where they have dents or like cracks, but just a little dirty, maybe a little bit rusty, but saved $400 with it. So the dog's happy about it, huh? Oh, Annie. Oops. Getting rust on my shorts. I have also Taurus Elite ready to install too. So that's all going to be on this video in just a couple minutes. Yeah, don't look too bad. I mean, they look kind of bad. They do look a little rusty, but it's like surface rust. I think they'll clean up. Alright, so since we're still going full blogger here with the Yamaha Banshee, this is what I'm up to right now. Polishing these pipes. These are the Toomeys that I got yesterday. This one I've been working on probably about an hour, hitting with that polish and some aluminum foil. This is the other pipe I haven't really started, or I haven't started at all. I haven't even put water on it, I don't think. Oh yeah, I have. I put water on it, but I haven't, cleaned it really. Just kind of wiped it off to see what it looked like. But this one, it's kind of coming along. Alright, pipes are looking very, very good. This is just the first pass I've done on them. I gotta take a break and do some other stuff right now though. It's not a how-to video at all, but one thing I wanted to mention, one thing I learned on the second pipe that I just did is that I was kind of holding on to the still wool for too long on the first pipe. It really only lasts a couple seconds, like a few rubs or whatever, and then it's kind of trash. This is the quadruple 0, so it's real soft steel wool. I read not to use anything harder. Obviously, I don't want to scuff up the finish, and it hasn't been. It's been working real good. But on the first pipe, I was, I guess, just using the steel wool too long, and on the second pipe, I was kind of using it real quick, and it burns out, and then move it onto a new piece, and it really made a difference. Alright, so I'm back today trying to finish off this polish up job. Bought some Coca-Cola and like a scouring kind of sandpaper pad, and then some like finishing grit to finish off these pipes, but it's doing a really good job of which I wanted, taking away all this junk. But what it's doing is bringing the metal to this kind of like polished look rather than the chrome. I mean, I guess I expected that, but now I'm kind of like, well, I don't think I'm gonna wipe out this nice chrome, but this part, I don't know, just talking in circles a little bit here. I guess I'm gonna keep cleaning up the underside of the pipes that look kind of beat up, but I'm not gonna hit the tops. I'm just gonna leave them how they are. because they're not bad, they're good enough, they're presentable. And then this part, I mean, look how brand new it looks, but it's just a whole, it's like a matte finish. It's more of like a matte, polished metal that looks, you know, brand new. It looks really good, but it doesn't look as good as the chrome. So I think that's just where I'm gonna leave it. Try to clean up, see, I'm not even gonna hit this stuff. Forget it. It's gonna turn this color anyways. In a pretty short amount of time, it's gonna be that color anyways. So I might as well not wipe out all the chrome up here. I think that's the story, Jack. Peace. Alright, so it's been a long time since the last update. It's been a really hot summer. There were some days when it was like, I think it was like 119 degrees. It was hot as hell. So the Banshee's been kind of sitting. Alright, started off the video with those new pipes right there. Also have added the fast racing pod filters. And just rebuilt and rejetted the carbs. The bike's running super good. We took it out last night and ripped it around. Loving it. It's totally different from the stock pipes. Start it up real quick and wrap this video up. Check out how it sounds. Alright, that's it for this episode. Bike's running great. Pretty soon it's actually going to have a different fender on it. It's okay. There's Kyle. He's the tuner. It's Kyle's bike. The Mean 02. The boat smell like jet skis and shit. Yamaha jet skis. That's it.